How to turn off easy swing in Marvel Rivals. Really easy and simple, guys. So, first things first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up Marvel Rivals, then open the settings menu and select your input method, so keyboard or controller. Then what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna come here and select combat submenu, and at the top of the settings, you should see a bar that says all heroes. Okay, so what you want to do here, basically with the yellow box, right next to it that says change hero, alongside a picture of whoever you're playing with. So what you're gonna do is you want to either select the yellow box or hit the all heroes button and select either Spider-Man or Venom. So for both Spider-Man and Venom, you'll find the easy swing, okay, and automatic swing options in the hero subsection, okay, right here. As you can see, this is the easy swing option, and there's also automatic swing. So what you want to do is you just want to toggle this. So if you want to turn this off, just toggle this off. Make sure it's at the X, and before you leave the practice range, go ahead and save these settings, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.